Good morning to you all. Hope you guys are doing well. I am happy to be here again. My name is Samuel Opeola, the creator of Qora Digital Cash. I use this platform to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. If you are new on this channel, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips. I have a lot of training videos here that can get you started immediately. Watch them, make sure you grab some few tips there and practice well on your demo account before you go live with any one of them. I always say this, either you are using a strategy or you are getting an indicator, make sure you practice them well before you go live with any one of them. I always say this, your demo account is there for you to practice with. Your demo account is there for you to practice with. Do not practice with your real account. If I'm trying out a new strategy, I usually do it with my demo account before going to my live account. Okay, that is very important. And if you have any question about any of my strategy or trading indicator or trading tools, feel free to contact me. I have my contact details in the description box below this video. You can send your WhatsApp message to me. You can also send email address to me and I will reply you as soon as possible. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, today we'll be looking at an amazing topic. Actually, I've tried to explain to you, to expose you to the market movement and the breakout actions, and I've given you some examples of people that have tried it out and that have made so much money from it. If you miss any of the video series, I will advise you to start from the yellow section here and watch till the current video, till you get to the current video. That will help you to understand the way the market is structured and the way it moves and how you can trade alongside with it. If you understand this, then you can swing trade. You can trade easily with peace of mind. Even when the spikes are happening, then you will know that you are still in the right direction and you're still going to milk profit. Instead of being scared, you will rather place more order because you know that it is an advantage for you to make more money. So that is that about that. After a few explanation on boom and crash, volatility 75, a lot of people asked me asked me to do videos on how they can use it for step index and other volatility, but I told them I won't be doing on other volatility because that would be like repeating the same thing, because it is the last video I did was on volatility 75, which is also standing in for all the families of volatilities. That is, you can apply the same strategy that I shared in my last video for volatility 100 and the rest of the volatilities. But I will be doing a video for step index so that you will understand how it works. So that is why I tagged today's video best way to trade step index using the breakout action. So watch out for this video. I will be explaining in details how you can achieve this in two different ways. But before going fully into it, let me quickly do the market analysis. So let's go to the trading platform. This is the trading platform. My charts. On my chart, I'm having the shares trend. This is the shares trend, and I'm having the crusher indicator. The crusher indicator involves the arrows that you are seeing and the histogram below this. So the two comes together to form the crusher indicator. Okay, and you make use of the two sessions to do your analysis. The shares trend is there for you to let you know the current trend of the market. Presently, an uptrend started from here, and you can see that it's been spiking since then. And that is that about that. That means that the market is in uptrend, and you can see that the window indicator also confirmed that it's in uptrend. You can see that that is why we have the green here, which is the uptrend. Remember, if you're having this crusher indicator and you are yet to change the colors here, you are yet to swap the colors of the window indicator, definitely your green color will be for downtrend and your red colors will be for uptrend. But I had to swap it before because I prefer green being uptrend and red being downtrend, so I swapped it the other way around so as to do that. Let me quickly show you how to do that. If you want to do that, just right click on this, go to properties, and come to colors, because some people have asked me, just change all this red, light red. This is light red. If you are yet to change the colors, then definitely you'll be having light green and dark green here, dark red and light red here. The same thing is applicable at the above, at the top here. So you just change it all over. So that is why I'm having, I have changed mine. That is why I'm having light red and dark red here, dark green and and light green here. The same thing is what I did at the top too. So that is how to do that. You just click on it to change it. And after changing it, and that is that, you click OK and it will swap here automatically. So that is how to do that. So many of you are using it the way it came, and you are giving it a different interpretation, and that is why you're losing your money, because you are trading using the wrong interpretation. So that is why you are losing your money. So that is that about that. I quickly said I should chip in that. So let's do the market analysis. Presently you can see that the market consolidated for a while here before going back on uptrend, and it's trying to come back on downtrend now. You can see the light red coming out. So if I were you, I can come in here. It might not be for long because it is very close to a support level. I should be out of the market somewhere here. That is giving me 5-minute candles. So that is that about that. So we experienced the consolidation period after the price action getting to the support level. This is the support level, a major support level for that matter, and this is where we can actually come in. You can come in here and exit the market here, giving you 6-minute candle. Wait for this support level to be broken or for a spike to happen. It got broken, so you can come in here again and be in the market till this level. That is 24-minute candle. 6 plus 24, that is 30 minutes. Can you imagine being in the market for 30 minutes? Some of you will have gotten to your daily target by then. Then this is another opportunity for you to enter again. If you had been in the market, you can be to this level. That is about 40-minute candles. So that is amazing. So presently the price action tried to go up, and it has gotten to a major resistance level. You can see it, that is the same level. It came down here and it has gotten to that level, and it's trying to come down again. That does not mean it won't spike. It might spike a bit, but that spike might lead into another breakout action that will let it go down more, so that you can have opportunity to earn more. So if you follow the rules and regulation, definitely you will be able to earn with this. So let's go to boom 500. This is boom 500. On this chart, I'm not using the chest trend. I'm using the PZ super trend. Is a free indicator you can get on MT5 platform. All you just need to do is just to make sure you have the market section here to download this. So if you're unable to download this, you can use the chest trend. If you want to get the chest trend, they give the same information, just that this one is not having the dashboard, but it is giving the same information. In short, it helps you to know when a trend is starting fully, as in early enough compared to that of PZ super trend. Okay, but both of them are very good. They are very good. So if you are able to get it too, good. If you are unable to get pizza super trend, you can get the shares trend from the Telegram channel. I dropped the download link there. You can download from there and install on your chart. Okay, let me do the analysis for this. Presently at the moment, boom, 500 is on uptrend. So if you are the type that love trading, that love selling it, do not go into the market. Wait for the direction of the market to change into downtrend before you trade, because that is when you can enjoy trading. Boom, if you want to sell it. For those that love trading the spikes, this is the best time for you to trade it. Enjoy it while it lasts, but make sure you enter at the major support level before you go into it. But for those that sell at the early part of this morning, you've gotten your time to earn so much from the markets. Let's say you try to come in here. This gives us how many minutes candle? 40 minutes candles. That is amazing. And you also got another opportunity here. Then also here you got another opportunity, so you can easily trade within those period. So that is that about that. Make sure you apply the rules. If you are not using the crusher indicator, I believe the indicator you are using also has a rules and regulation guiding it. So I believe you should be able to apply the rules to end with it. Presently, we just had this long crash from crash 1000. That was amazing, but that is after getting to a major resistance level. If I were you and I've been in the market for some time, check it out. You will have earned from here a massively. This is 15 minute candles. Can you imagine before the invisible crash? This is an invisible crash. It happens like that sometimes, but it is so small that you can still come in again. That is why we have the dark green section here. It changes from light green to dark green section, which means you have the opportunity to go in again and earn. Check it out. This is giving us how many minutes candles? 40 minutes candles. That is amazing before the long spikes, the long crash coming out. But check it out here. You will still add another opportunity here to earn so much from the from this platform. So for those that have been in the market in the morning, I believe they will have earned a lot from this platform using this crusher indicator. So let's check crash 500. Crash 500 is presently on downtrend. If you are the type that love buying crash, stay out of the market. You can see here it is red on the dashboard. 1 minute and 5 minutes are very red, so do not trade. Stay out of the market. Wait for it to get to a major support level. Make sure it is green here before you go into the market again. Although for those that are very fast in the morning, they will have earned a lot in the morning. This is giving us about how many minutes? 46 minutes candles. That is amazing. You will have earned a lot in the morning. But that is that about that. So if you I believe you've had the analysis. If you are using the crusher indicator, you know what to look out for. If you are not using the crusher indicator, you've heard about the analysis. Apply it with your indicator. Make sure you apply the rules guiding your indicator. Do your analysis very well before you go into any trade. Okay, let's go into today's training. This is what we are looking at, the best way to trade step index using the breakout action. Okay, that is what we will be looking at. We will be looking at two different ways to this. We will be looking at two different ways to the short-term period and the long-term period. Probably I will split the video into two, but let me start with the long-term period. So if you have any question, do not forget to send message to me directly. I will take my time to attend to all your questions. So let's go to the trading platform. Okay, step index. Okay, this is it, step index. Okay, I'm going to share with you the long-term period. So let me quickly start with day one. of course, with day one, that can help you to go for a very long time. So this is the breakout action. And like I said, you can see the light yellow and the uh, blue. I mean, the yellow line and the blue line. You can see it. Those are the things we will be focusing on. Like I've explained before, the lines are there to show you the present trend of the market, the present trend of the market. Okay, because right now, at this particular time, step is on uptrend, but I'm going to tell you something later on. But it shows the present trend of the asset of the market, so you need to know that the blue part of the line is for uptrend while the yellow part of the line is for downtrend. So that is very, very important, and this also serves as support. You can see here it forms a support, and it also cut it here, which is forming another support. So each time the price action breaks out from the support level, you are expecting it to go for a very long time. So it also serves as resistance level too, and each time the price action breaks out from a resistance level, you are expected to go for a very long time. Okay, so that is that about that. But check out here, it broke out from here, from this level, and you can see it's moving up to this level, moving up to this level. You might not understand this, but this does not mean that it is not coming down at all. So you see some candles that are not full. You see, in short, most of the candles are not full. That shows the movement of the market. It shows the movement of the market. But if you should look at it, it is more of uptrend. It keeps on going up generally till it got to a major resistance level, and this is the major resistance level, and you can see it trying to bounce back. If it is unable to break up this level, you see it coming down, and that is what it's doing presently. And once it breaks out from this resistance level, once it breaks out downward, then you see it coming down again. So I'm expecting it to break it out totally and see it coming down to this level. This might go down for so many days. It can take a week, it can take 2 weeks before it gets to this level. So that is that about that. You can see what I'm talking about. It helps you to swing trade, and you can be in the market for a very long time. You can be in the market for days. So that is that about that. So in case you don't want to, probably for day time frame, it might take a very long time before you get the breakout action, except on cases like this where you find it at the level of breaking it out successfully. Then you can easily come in and milk the market for so many days, being in the market for so many days can give you up to $5,000 or even $10,000, depending on your trading capital and the lot size used. So that is that about that. So let's see how we can quickly tap into it and have more opportunity to trade. So let's see. Day one will actually take a lot of time, but it is good for swing trading for a very long time. Let's check out H4. H4 means that every candle created here took 4 hours to be created. Yeah, 4 hours to be created. You can see here, when the price action came down a bit here, it broke down a bit but went back up again. So you can trade on this for 4 hours before, once you see it back up, you can exit the market because it's taking back your profit. But check it out, it broke out again, and remember, this is showing us an uptrend already, not a downtrend. It is showing us an uptrend already. So I always say go with the what's it called, the signal that supports the trend. So that is why the sell trend was not strong enough. It was unable to break out of the support level. So it's reversed back, and check it out, it broke out upward again, and check it out. This is 4 hours time frame. Let's say you decide to come in here after breaking out, and check it out, you can be in the market till this level. So let's see how many bars are we having here. How many bars are we having here? Let's say till this level. That is 15 bars. 15 times 4. That will show you the number of hours spent already. That is 60 hours. That is 60 hours, more than a day, more than 2 days, even almost 3 days. Can you imagine? So that is amazing. The same thing, you can see here that it broke out after closing the candle on beneath it. It broke out fully. You can see that you can come in here. This is 4 hours, this is another 4 hours, this is another 4 hours. So that gives you an opportunity to earn more. And with quick signal, check out here. So it broke out here, and you can sell to this level. There are some times that it will break out for a very long time. The reason is it has gotten to a major support level or a major resistance level. Check out here, it got to a major support level, it broke out, and it went for long. But if it's going to go for a very, if it's going to go for a very short period of time, that means it is breaking out at the probably here it's trying to break out at the resistance level, or at the level where it is in the opposite direction. Check out here, this is at the major resistance level, and it broke out downward, and check it out, it came to this level. So this will take days before getting to a major support level. So that is that about that. If you want to have more trading opportunity, then we can come to H1. Okay, H1 will give us more trading opportunity. H1 will give us more trading opportunity because every candles here, or each of these candles are created within 1 hour. You can see within an hour, you can say if it is going to break out or not. Check it out, it breaks out here, and you have the opportunity to trade to this level. But check out here, it breaks out here, and you have the opportunity to trade to this level. So that is amazing. It is breaking out here again, but try to consolidate here for a while. But after the consolidation, if the breakout was successful, you see it shooting back upward to this level. It will shoot back upward to the resistance level where it started from, to this level. Can you see? So that is that about that. You can practice this. If you're having this indicator, practice it well before you go live with it. Make sure you perfect your skill. Check out the breakouts here. It is at the major resistance level. In your RSI, this should be around 70 upward. Once it is around 70 upward, 70, 75, 80, 100 upward, 70 upward, like that, then you should know that it has gotten to a major resistance level. So you can leverage on that, wait for it to break out. Once it breaks out, then you can come in and sell like this. Then the same thing is applicable to this should be around 30 upward, 30 downward in your RSI. So once you notice something like that, you can leverage on the breakout action and buy into the market to this level. So that is that about that. I'll be stopping here for now. I'll show you more ways to trade with this using the breakout action, to trade your step index using the breakout action, probably in my next video. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Here is the subscription button. Click on it and also click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And do not forget to give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Thank you very much.